Good morning, children. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to e-learning, children. Please concentrate and study well. Today we are going to see about what is homophones. Because in our Sea Turtles lesson, we have a book back additional exercise which is related to homophones. So I like to explain what is homophones first, okay? Homophones is a word with two different words, homo plus phone. Homo is a word and also phone is another word. This two word combines and gives a word homophone. Here homo means same and phone means sound, which gives you a word homophone. So what are homophones? Words having same sound. Yes, homophones are words having same sound but whereas different in meaning and also different in spellings. Here is the explanation for homophones. Homophones are words that have same sound but different in meaning and different in spellings. So we have a homophones here. In English, we have so many words with same sound. Same sound means with the same pronunciation. Pronunciation is same but they are different in spellings and also different in meanings. So I want to explain you with some more examples, children. Please listen well carefully. If you have any doubts, if you have any questions regarding homophones, you can surely ask me. Okay? Come. Let's we see about homophones with few more examples. There is a two words. One is weak, W-E-E-K, weak, and other word is weak, W-E-A-K, weak. Here, two pronunciation of weak are same, whereas spelling and meaning are different, right? Because W-E-E-K, week represents 7 days in a week. Okay, W-E-A-K, weak, refers to a sick person who is weak. Okay, so there is a explanation here. W-E-E-K means there are 7 days in a week, whereas W-E-A-K, weak, means she has been sick and is still weak. W-E-E-K represent a physical fitness of a person, whether she is weak or he is weak, like that. Okay, I hope you clearly understood. Please concentrate, students. Now can you clearly understood, students? There is a difference between weak and weak. Both the words spell same, that is pronounced as same but different in spelling and meaning. Now I am going to explain you with one more examples. Tale and tale. T-A-L-E, tale, refers to the story, and T-A-I-L, tale, refers to a tale of an animal. I explain you with a sentence. See, first one is, I love the fairy tale Cinderella. Tale, T-A-L-E, tale means story. And second sentence is, the fox has a bushy tail. Tail means it is a body part of an animal. T-A-I-L, tail. Yes, the fox has a bushy tail. How does the fox having his tail? It is very bushy. And here is the next one. Hover, hour. First one spelling is hover, H-O-U-R, hour. And second one is O-U-R, hour, H-O-U-R, hour. Most of you come across this word, no? H-O-U-R, hour. While writing your exams, your ma'am will instruct 1 hour more, half an hour more, like that. That is hour, H-O-U-R, hour. And second one is O-U-R, hour. First I am going to explain you with sentence now. Our class is going to the museum. It is our own class is going to the museum. And second one is, there are 60 minutes in an hour. 1 hour consists of 60 minutes. Here is the next example. For 4. What do you want for lunch? For is a conjunction. You know about conjunctions, right? For indicates what you are going to give to your friend or to your family. Indicates about giving something. And 4, FOUR, represents number. I see 4 apples. Here 4 represent to a number of apples, how much you saw. Okay, I hope you clearly understood what are homophones now. Children, please concentrate. In this exercise, you are going to do it, and next word is 8. I ate mangoes yesterday. There are 8 cars in parking. See, this is your book bag exercise, additional exercise, children. Fill in the blanks with the words that convey correct meaning of the sentence. Tiny hatchlings fall prey, P-R-A-Y, pray, or P-R-E-Y, pray. These are the words given in the bracket. Too many predators. Tiny hatchlings fall prey or prey to many predators. Already we undergone this sentence in our book. Already we learned this sentence in a book, no? Pray. What do you mean by pray? First one, P-R-A-Y, pray. Do you have any ideas? Yes, right. Praying gods. We used to pray God, right? So P-R-A-Y, pray means praying, prayers. And P-R-E-Y, pray means an animal hunted for food. First, I explained homophone words only, students. That is the words given in the brackets. First, I am going to explain homophone words. After that, we move on to the answers. Okay. Second one is sea turtles live their whole life in the sea. HOLE, whole, means a hollow space, whereas WHOLE, whole, means it can be a noun that refers to that is something complete action, that is a whole. And third one is night. The turtles come ashore only during night or night, 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 or KNIGHT, night. Night is the part of the day when it is dark, and also most of the people used to sleep during night time. Whereas knight is a man given a rank of honor by a king, KNIGHT, that is knight, another word. Fourth one is the predators follow the scent or scent. SENT, scent is the past tense of a send, and SCENT, scent is SCENT, scent refers to a smell of an object. And fifth one is the female turtles lay eggs and go back to the sea. SEEEC, SEAC. C means to look at or watch a television or TV program or anything, or film, watching a film. That is seeing. We used to see by using our eyes. SEAC. Whereas SEAC refers to a ocean. Here are the answers, children. First answer is prey, PREY, prey. Tiny hatchlings fall prey to many predators. Second one is whole, WHOLE, whole. Sea turtles live their whole life in the sea. And third one is night. The turtles come ashore only during night time. The predators follow the scent of the turtles to eat their eggs. Scent means smell. Fifth one is the female turtles lay eggs and go back to the sea. Sea means ocean. So these 5 only your assignment. Write these 5 homophones with sentence and also with options. Options are given here. Write it with options and send it immediately as soon as possible. Please write your assignments and submit in WhatsApp or also in Google Classroom, children. Thank you for watching. I hope you clearly understood this topic. Thank you, children. Thank you.